Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from eviction with lawyers.com, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your situation. Gather all relevant documents related to the eviction. Review your lease agreement to understand the terms. Identify the reasons for your eviction. Research local laws regarding eviction and tenant rights. Contact lawyers.com to find legal representation. Utilize the website to locate attorneys specializing in eviction cases. Schedule a consultation with a lawyer to discuss your case. During the consultation, be honest and provide all necessary information. Ask your attorney about potential defenses against your eviction. Discuss the possibility of negotiating with your landlord. Consider filing an appeal if you believe the eviction was unjust. Pay close attention to timelines regarding filing any appeals. Gather evidence that supports your case, such as payment receipts. Maintain open communication with your lawyer throughout the process. Follow your lawyer's guidance on how to proceed. Be prepared for court if your case goes to that stage. Stay organized and keep track of all legal documents. Focus on rebuilding your financial stability post-eviction. Explore resources for housing assistance in your area. Remember that recovering from eviction takes time and effort. Stay proactive in seeking support and legal advice as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.